Caravan life. It's been raining, the rain stopped. And we normally cook outside. And tonight, my little chocky lips is cooking butter chicken on the All 4 Adventure outdoor cooker, fry panny thingy. There'll be some rice and papadums. And then I think we'll go inside to watch the Women's State of Origin. Just having a few bevies and enjoying the ambience. Now the couple next door that had the blues when they turned up, they've gone to the RSL for dinner. So we have some tranquility.